Meet the Scarlet Macaw, nature's flying fire.
In the heart of the jungle lives a legend, the Scarlet Macaw.
This is the Mandarin Duck, a rainbow that learned to swim.
The resplendent quetzal, once guarded like treasure. Watch the Wilson's bird of paradise. It doesn't just live, it performs.
The rainbow lorikeet, every color you see is real.
And the painted bunting looks like a dream you can't explain. From another world, these birds are real.